How do I clean and maintain the water-resistant qualities of my Birkenstocks?
Hello, Birkenstock fans. Today we're going to discuss an important topic, specifically how to clean and maintain the water-resistant qualities of your beloved Birkenstocks. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your Birkenstocks stay in top-notch condition for longer. Remember, proper maintenance can extend the life of your footwear significantly.
Why is cleaning important?
First, let's discuss why cleaning is important. Apart from maintaining the aesthetic appeal of your Birkenstocks, regular cleaning helps to keep the materials flexible and prevent any degradation. This is particularly important when considering the water-resistant qualities of your footwear.
What do you need?
In order to clean your Birkenstocks, you will need 1. A soft bristle brush or cloth 2. Mild soap 3. Lukewarm water 4. A sealant, optional, for added water resistance.
How to clean your Birkenstocks.
Here's how to clean your Birkenstocks to maintain their water resistance. 1. Gently remove any dirt or grime from your shoes using the brush or cloth. 2. Create a soapy solution with your mild soap and lukewarm water. Do not use hot water as it can damage the materials. 3. Dampen the brush or cloth with the soapy water and scrub the shoes gently. 4. Once you've cleaned all areas, rinse the shoes thoroughly with lukewarm water. 5. Allow them to air dry away from direct sunlight or heat sources, as this can cause the materials to shrink or warp.
How to improve water resistance.
You can enhance the water-resistant properties of your Birkenstocks by applying a sealant. 1. Make sure your Birkenstocks are clean and dry before applying the sealant. 2. Apply a thin layer of the sealant, making sure to cover all surfaces of the shoes. 3. Allow the sealant to dry completely before wearing your Birkenstocks. Note: always follow the instructions of the sealant manufacturer to avoid any unintended damage to your footwear. We hope these steps help you keep your Birkenstocks clean and water-resistant. Remember, regular cleaning and maintenance not only keep your shoes looking great but also ensure they last a long time. Happy cleaning!